So, ni-start na sad ta og gikan guys no from Trinidad. So, this is the national highway of Trinidad, Bohol. So, we are here at Trinidad, Bohol. So, ni-travel ta paingon sa Etape or Kitape. So, kini nga road is the road from Ubay to Trinidad. So, mao ni siya guys no. We're going to go to Etape. So, heading to Etape guys. Etape all. In the meantime, we are on the road of Trinidad. From Ubay to Trinidad. So, as you can see guys, no, kita na to. Medyo kusog-kusog na din ang dagat. Because we have a client waiting in Etape. So, this is the corner going to Bien Onedo. So we are getting closer to the town proper of Trinidad. So we are from Tagum Norte, Trinidad. So right now we're heading to the town proper of Trinidad. So napaingon pa rito. So wala guys, medyo kusog-kusog yun atong dagat going to the run. Medyo paspasan. So as you can see, this is the fire station. Beside is the public market where there is also a Shoppers Mart, no? This is the commercial area, no, of Trinidad. So after there is a DIY, the yellow one, nanay DIY po diha guys, no. Then we cross to the bridge, no. After the bridge, no, after the bridge is still the center where there is still a public market of Trinidad. Then here in the nearby public market there is also the municipal hall of Trinidad. So by the way guys, Trinidad is first class municipality. Before it was really a third class. But now, because of the progress, it is already a first class municipality. So there are so many businesses na sa Trinidad, no. Then there is a college school, which is the state university. So na there is a Trinidad. Then nag-extension na sila kay nidako naman. So mo na dito sa dito sa Tagum Norte. So now after this, no, heading to Talipon guys. Before we reach to Etape, muagi sa kita Talipon Bohol, no? So this is the situation, no? It's still part of Barangay Poblacion, Trinidad, Bohol. So ano siya guys. So as you can see, no, open good kayo ang road, open road and no traffic. So wala gyud traffic guys, no, wala gyud traffic. Then there are already cars, no? So meaning the Trinidad is really already very progressive. So still in Trinidad we have properties for sale in Trinidad. We have 2,500 square meters. It's a clean title at 300 pesos per square meter. And there is 8,500 square meters for 350 pesos per square meter. So ano siya guys. So after this guys, no, this is still part of Trinidad. So somewhere nearer to San Vicente, Trinidad, Bohol. So gitawag pa ni diri dapita guys og Panapaan, Trinidad. Panapaan pa ni. Barangay Panapaan. So after the Poblacion. So here comes the San Vicente. This is already part of San Vicente, Trinidad, Bohol. So after San Vicente is already Talipon, Bohol. You it's part of Talibon. So see, it's still part of San Vicente. Trinidad Bohol. Kini San Vicente paghapon ni guys. So after ani, welcome to Talibon. So doon na yun. Usog ba itong dagat? Ano sa guys? Dati ito, mas basyo. Usog. So here comes the welcome to Talibon. Welcome to Talibon. So this is already part of Talibon Bohol. This is San Roque, Barangay San Roque, Talibon Bohol. So ano siya guys, San Roque, Talibon Bohol. So nindot gyapon, open area. So no traffic. So it is around 8 in the morning, 8 a.m. So ano siya guys, so usa ka paspas ang dagan. Again, this is part of San Roque. Then in San Roque natin ibaligya niya guys, commercial lang for 2 million pesos. 1,500 square meters per square meters. So dili dapitas left side, tapakanan lang. Pero still we can have the lot is still available yan po. So after San Roque guys, it's already San Agustin. So but I think this portion of Tining side is already San Agustin, Talibon Bohol. So ano siya guys, this is San Agustin, Talibon. Usog-usog yun itong dagan. So we drive past because of our client is waiting in Yetape Bohol. So ano siya guys. So side by side there are houses, there are commercial center, and this is part of San Agustin already guys. This is already San Agustin, Talibon Bohol. So San Agustin na ni guys. So after San Agustin po guys, it's Balintawak. So still part of San Agustin only. So this is the centro, or what is the center of San Agustin, Talibon Bohol. So ano guys, no? Panahon sa atong pagkaulitaw, abot yung padiri pamayli, bayli pa may uso sa ano. So okay ba sa bayli, so store ng bayli. So this is the center no sa San Agustin, Talibon Bohol. It's a progressive barangay also, no? Ano siya? So wala gyud traffic. Again, no traffic, no. Pindot kayo. So again, our motorcycle, no, EDB 160. So paspas kayo basta ang EDB man good guys, basta dili lang sa kaon, straight lang kasada, patag, usog yun siya mudagan. Mapadagan ko kasagaran tag 80 km per hour or less than, basta tuliid lang o klaro nga karsada or walay traffic. Bulbog yun pa. See? So this is still part of San Agustin, Talibon Bohol. San Agustin Japon ni guys, no? So after this San Agustin is already Balintawak. My home barangay na. Before na my hometown. Kasi actually I am from Talibon. That is my hometown. I was born in Balintawak, Talibon Bohol. So tao ko sa Balintawak, Talibon Bohol. So pure Talibon yan. But we are here in Trinidad Bohol. Ano pa sa Trinidad? Actually, in the history, Trinidad was part of Talibon. So again, this is already Balintawak, guys. This is already Balintawak. This place is a northern part of Bohol province. So from Tagbilaran, it's around 100 kilometers, 120 I think. So that is the situation, guys. It's already 100 plus kilometers from Tagbilaran going north, because Tagbilaran is south. So nindot yapon, no? It's a good timing, no traffic. There are cases, no, that there's really traffic time, no, sa ato ang kasada dire. So this is already our center in Balintawak, sa sentro na ni sa Balintawak, guys, no. Ano siya, no, Barangay Hall sa Balintawak. See, so diri ta sa una, guys, mag-standby sa Balintawak pa. So ano gini kusog yun atong dagan. Imagine from Kuan patong norte, Kuan na yun, guys, no? Kita man nato sa ato ang record na niabot na Tagtalibon mga Kuan na 11 minutes siya sa tinggoon na ramon po rin Tagtalibon. So 12 minutes. So this nanay DIY din diri, guys, diri nga portion, it's part of, I think, part of San Isidro already, pero there gonna be a mall, no, shopping mall, kuno pohon, mano na siya, guys, na shopping mall ipabarog ya development, no, shopping mall. So at this left side, guys, naa diri ang provincial hospital sa Talibon. Kini ni pintal nga green, mao na siya ang provincial hospital. Magita naglingi-lingi kaya nakapokus mo kita. So anong green pintal dia, green paint, no, is already the hospital, provincial hospital. So as you can see, guys, no, dili gyapon sa traffic. It's around 8:30 I think. So pas manay BIT College, guys, oh. So hapit na tamo abot sa crossing going to Talibon and Hitape. Kung mo right side ta, mao na to, guys, ang connection paingon sa Bien Unido nga dunay dako nga bridge, a big bridge, no, connecting in this location, no, in this portion sa crossing. Mo ni crossing ta. So kung mo right turn ta, paingon na dito sa Talibon Polytechnic College, no, is still a state university. Then connect na dito sa unahan sa Isidro. Then kung palayon kita, mao na to ang bridge, no, nag-connect sa Bien Unido and Talibon. Actually, Bien Unido was part of Talibon. So sa una, no, Talibon yun ang Bien Unido, pero nasakop naman lagi na may ilang kaugalingon nga kuan. So mao na siya, guys. So nanay traffic light kadugay panahon, nanay traffic light ang Talibon hasta gali ang Trinidad. Na po yung traffic light, meaning makita nimo ang progressive gyud kayo sa nga tanan. Okay, turn left na ta going to Hitape. So isirit na ta paingon si Hitape. So na siya, guys, no? Ulen yapon na kayo, kusog-kusog yun itong dagat. Wala sa, guys. So this is dito Itapi Bohol. So murag ato na yung putol ang video murag magsubot pag-upload video sa kung continue. So again in Itapi mo guys, there are boats, no boat, butas, butas kanang pump boat or big boats, no? O bangka na to, ocean jet ito going to Cebu City, Lapu-Lapu City, Udolba City. Tapos by ferry niya guys nakakarga o sa kanan sa company. So kita na to nga super progressive people ang Itapi sa buwan sa in terms of sakayan no? Paingon Cebu Bohol, pero actually dili pa gyud ingon pareha sa uban. I don't know kung unsa nang classification ng Itapi, pero for now kung makita nilipid kayo siya. So ano siya guys, medyo ni Puino dito ano yung gitawag o is part of San Jose Maripol. Itong pagliko na to because masaya ko sa Isidro, this other side no, is San Jose. So mauna ni guys, tuling ganda kayo. So see mauna na tanong nagsugod ang uban ano ganun mga service car center kusog yun, no? So muna siya. This is really part of Santo Niño, Talibon, Bohol. Santo Niño guys. So after Santo Niño, Panghaligi, Ayun Patacay, Burgos, concentration sa Kasaba, open area, Piniputa. So it's really very very nice. Medyo nakuha na guys. see, ating panaman na itong video guys. Isa. Kini sa Pilindo na guys, Barangay Santo Niño, Talibon, Bohol. Isa guys. Sa barangay Talibon. So straight lang kita. Okay, that's all.